Hello, thank you for joining today's section on functional safety. My name is Daniel. This is the last part of the video series where we are discussing IEC 61511 standard explained for process plant managers. So this is the part 7, the last part of it. And in this session, we will look at the common mistakes to avoid when it comes to IEC 61511 compliance. So one of the mistakes to avoid is ignoring maintenance interval. When some people do not understand the importance of proof test, they may feel that yes, we can do it some other time, the system is working, we can do it some other time. No, it's not done like that when it comes to functional safety related system. That's SIS system precisely. So you make sure you do not ignore maintenance interval, proof test intervals. So another common mistake is poor documentation. Most companies, they think that their documents are all right, but sometimes when we look at the documentations, we see a lot of loopholes, Another thing is some people may have some modifications done, but existing documents may still not be up to date. If you do any modification on your safe loop, for instance, which you really need to go through the MOC process, go through your impact analysis, then develop your modification work pack, go through all the processes and still do your functional safety assessment. Every safety related document and other documents that relates to it should be up to date. Unauthorized overrides. This is one of the common mistakes to avoid. It has to go through the approval process before override should be put in place. And once the purpose for which it was put in place has been achieved, or if there's a work or anything, for any reason it was approved, at the right time when it should be taken off, the override should be taken off. You don't forget, because if you forget, when the safety integrated system or the safe loop will be called on demand for trip functionality, it may not be there, and you will find out that there could be catastrophic accident. Okay? Treating safety as a one-time project. Sometimes when some companies put in lots of investment in their safety instrumented system or ICSS system or ESD system, they may feel, our system is okay now, everything is working well, so they relax. No. You need to still make sure that you track your maintenance, track your proof testing interval. You need to make sure that all the modifications go through the MOC process, go through impact analysis, go through modification work pack being developed and going through the review process, approvals and all that before you can carry out any modification in safety instrumented system. This will be a conclusion for this series and a call to action. IEC 61511 isn't just a standard, it's your safety backbone. My name is Daniel, like I said earlier, and we at Logic Performance Automation, we deliver safety instrumented systems, ICSS systems, both design and modification of existing systems. And because we are trained, registered, certified by TUV Renland to do this thing, we do it in accordance with the standard. Everything we deliver is as per industry standard and best practices. So if you have any requirement, any project requirement in functional safety, SIS systems, OT cybersecurity, PLC, DCS systems, SCADA, HMI, consider contacting us, and trust me, you will get the best result, because we are obsessed with industry standard. we know what the standard says and we follow it in line. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being all through the series. If you have not watched the other videos, it's really worth your time. And I will encourage you to watch all the series. So in the near future, we will do case study where we go into detail in each of the functional safety lifecycle phases, from HAZOP, LOPA, SRS, SIS design, installation, commissioning and validation, modification, and the rest of them. Thank you for your time once again. See you on our next video. Thank you. Cheers and bye.